I love you. Please subscribe to this channel. I love you.
Ready? Stay really still. Ooh, he's up there. All right, Sunny, showtime. Sing.
I can feel him dancing.
That's amazing. Good bird.
Say hello. Good job. Can you say I love you? I love you. Oh my goodness, that was perfect. You're the best little bird.
Hey, not the hoodie string, buddy. Checking the scores too?
Hey, wanna come here? Step up. Yeah, that's it. Come on. Good job. There you go. Look at that view, huh? We are so high up. You're safe with me. Good bird.
Hi, buddy. You ready? Go on. Good job. That's my brave bird. You showing off? Yeah, you are.
He thinks he's giving me kisses. Sweet bird.
Dig it, buddy? Yeah, show him those moves. Squawk!
Look at him dance.
That's amazing. Good boy, Rio. Keep going. Squawk!
You checking my text too, buddy? Yeah, I thought so. No nibbling on the phone, all right? Show off.
You don't even mind the crowd.
Come here, buddy.
Is that your bird?
Yeah, he just likes to say hi.
That's gorgeous.
Hi, sweetheart.
Good boy.
Checking everything out.
Well, that's a first in line today.
You watching too? Hey, gentle. You're trying to play now, huh? Would you like the fish? Alright, that's enough.
All right, bath time, buddies. Here comes the rain. Oh yeah, spread those wings. Looking shiny already. Good job, guys.
Hey, Kiwi. That's your new friend. Gentle. You like it, huh? Sweet bird.
Hi, Snow. Want to shake? Chirp. Good one. Cloud, your turn. Chirp. Nice shake. Mochi. Chirp, chirp. Ooh, strong grip. Thanks, buddies. There goes that Oh, wow. Sing it, Rico. Look at those moves. Yes, you're a star. Good boy.
Good boy. That's it. Have a drink. So tasty, huh? You're waiting so nicely. We'll get you some next.
Ready? Go explore. Here it comes. Nice landing, buddy. You crushed it.
Staying chill, buddy? Yeah? All right, come here. Step up. Good job. That's my guy. You ready to ride like this for a bit?
You supervising today, buddy? Yeah? Do you like that screw? Careful. Don't drop it. Oh, too late. Hey, you turned the lamp on for me. Thanks, pal. You're pretty proud of yourself, huh? Thanks.
Hey, easy there, buddy. Squawk. Oh, that feels nice. You doing some styling? Gentle with the spoon. That's my forehead, you know. You giving me a haircut? All right, Chef. That's
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Crikey.
Hey, gymnast bird, you gonna flip up? Rah! You got it. Climb, climb. There you go, up top. Screedy. Woo, big crest. Showing off now, huh? Good job, buddy.
Oh, you really want it? Pulling pretty hard there. Okay, share with your buddy. Good job. Gentle, gentle. All right, last bite before it goes back in the bowl.
Ready, Kiwi? Give it a push. There it goes. Yay! Strike! Good job, buddy. Look at that happy face.
Ready? Clap, clap! Push, Sonny! Look at you go! He's still pushing. Good job, buddy! Nice ride!
Hey, buddy. Want to step up? Come on. It's okay. You can. All right. Maybe not today.
There we go. Show the moves. Look at that footwork. Hey! Woo! Wings up! Nice. Go on, buddy. Keep it going.
Hey, buddy. Good morning. Are you dancing again? That's my happy boy. Pretty crisp.
Hey, little buddy. That's a gentle bite. Good bird.
Beautiful bird.
There he goes.
What a view, huh?
Ready? Spin. Yes. Good job. Here you go. Crunchy, huh?
One, two, three, four. Grapefruit.
Here it comes. Yep, you got it. Paper thief at work. That's 2 for the shredder. Good job.
Woo! Go, go, go! Wheel, wheel. Yeah, bounce it. Uh-huh, side step. You got it. Hey, move. Yeah, woohoo!
Okay, that's enough water. Chip. Yep, all done. Quick.
Yeah, you're helping. Good job, buddy. You think you know how to brush, huh? All right, gentle, gentle. Nice work. You're a pro, and you good whistles. All right, off.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, you love those chest rubs, huh? That's so nice. Look at you just melting. All right, I'm gonna stop for a sec. You can handle it yourself? There you go. Smart bird.
Morning, Sunny. You're silly.